Front-facing camera, is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. Very similar. Come on, out of the frame, it will compensate. Looks identical. Is it? 14T Pro is in 4K and Redmi is in Full HD. They both 30 frames per second and the Redmi is a bit wider. Look at the flares. Alright, other way around. Look at the sky. Which one is better? Autofocus, is it available? No. In any of them. But I think I can go a bit closer, still in focus, with Redmi. If I had something like a paper or leaf will be nice. Really nice. You see? Yeah, maybe because it's wider. Alright. Let's continue to the wide-angle lens. Wide-angle lens, and that is a difference. Well, there's not too much difference at all. It's the same. But different resolution, of course. 14T is still with 4K and Full HD for the Redmi. Video stabilization. Do you have autofocus in wide-angle lens? No, we don't. So we are blurry. There's no macro available. If you want to vlog from the smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style. Alright. Switching to the main lens. And when we switch to 4K main lens, this is how it looks like. Bokeh effect. So the blur behind me. Alright. Video stabilization. It looks very, very similar. How quick is the autofocus? Quick. In both of them. I don't know about this place. Is this a good place to test smartphones? Not really. Maybe for the telephoto. Yeah, let's do that. Telephoto 6 and okay. So 14T Pro is much better in the telephoto department.
And if you want to see how much flare we're going to have against the sun, well, definitely a little bit more in K70 Ultra. Just a bit more. It has a sunny day, beautiful day, a little bit more details because it's a higher resolution in 14T Pro. But that's all for the video. What about photo? And photo it is. And you can see Xiaomi 14T Pro. It will... Well, now it's the other way around. Okay. So they both don't have accurate colors. Similar. None of them are perfect. Let me leave you with those pictures and I will come back to you in a second. night. At night, they both really good. And I'm serious. Look at it. K70 is a bit better. Wow. Look the inside of the store. I think it's better on the K70. Yeah, similar. Is it possible that K70 has a better photos at night? Seems that way. Similar or better? But what about video? Okay, when we're in a wide-angle lens, they both pretty mediocre. Not great at all. But when we switch to the main lens, that is a different story. Look how similar that is. And do remember that 14T Pro is quite more expensive. Wow. So all in all, K70 in the camera department is not so bad, let me say. I think it's pretty good. Quite similar to the 14T Pro. And I think that's all I got for today. What do you think about the comparison? Let me know in the comment below. Which one will you choose? I think they're both great. They're both fantastic smartphones. See you next video. Bye.